the Anyword workshop. I'm Jenna, a content marketing manager here at Anyword, and today we're going to explore how to create the best Walmart product listing on Anyword. Alright, here's my brief for a Walmart product listing. I've entered the technical information of my product here. You can also just put a short description for your product and that'll work great as well. And I'm gonna hit create project. Alright, so here we can generate copy for a paragraph description or a feature list. I've already generated some copy for a feature list right here, but for today's example, we're gonna look at paragraph description. You can also enter your custom template right here or keywords, but for now I'm gonna hit generate. Alright, awesome. So here are some of the copy variations that the AI generated for us. And these numbers right here are your predictive performance scores. They let you know how well this copy would perform. And if you click on details for these scores, you see even further information about who your copy would appeal to in terms of age and gender-related tone of voice. So that's really cool. If you want to generate your Walmart product listing in a different language, just go down here and you'll see all the languages that Anyword offers. And if you ever want to change up the information in your copy being generated, just go back to your brief here and you can change up the information in your brief, including adding product attributes right here, and you can add multiple features and benefits. So I have just entered some of our features and benefits for the scooter, and I'm gonna hit save brief. And you can see your custom templates based on the features and benefits you added in your brief right here. And you can generate copy in any of these custom templates. Awesome, so here's the copy generated based on our scooter's feature of adjustable handlebars. All right, now if you have existing copy for your product and you wanna rewrite it, just go to the rewrite section here, copy and paste your existing text here, and you can generate some rewrites. You'll notice my existing score here is 59, so that can definitely be improved. Wow, so you'll see that the AI tremendously improved my existing predictive performance score right here. And that's it. Enjoy creating your Walmart product listing on Anyword.com.